Okay, so in an experiment, we only want to test the independent variable, right? The only thing we experimenters are going to deliberately change in each trial of our experiment is the independent variable. That means everything else in our experiment has to be kept constant. Constants are the variables that you keep the same in an experiment. This helps ensure that your experiment is valid, right? For example, we're conducting an experiment to test how the amount of sleep a student gets affects their test grades. The only variable we are going to change in each of our trials is the amount of sleep the student gets. We want to make sure the student is getting the same exact test each time they take it. That's a variable we're holding constant. We want to make sure that the student takes the test in the same environment each time. It wouldn't be fair if the student took the test in a really cozy, well-lit room one day and then took a test in a cold, dark basement the next day. That might have an unintended effect on their test grade. Another factor or variable we would want to hold constant in this experiment would be the amount of food the student ate before they took the test, right? It wouldn't be fair if one day the student took a test after they had a really great, healthy, satisfying meal, and then the next day they took the test on a completely empty stomach, right? So these are just some examples of constants that we would want to have in our experiment.